Free money alert. In 2025, crypto projects are giving away thousands of dollars in airdrops. And honestly, most people don't even know. From DeFi to AI tokens, the next big opportunity could be sitting in your wallet right now. Stick with me, because I'll reveal the top airdrops you can still claim in 2025, how to qualify, and how to avoid scams. Don't miss this. This could be your next 100x opportunity. By the end of this video, you'll know the top airdrops, eligibility steps, and how to claim them safely. So, let's start with the basics. Airdrops are basically free tokens that crypto projects send directly to your wallet. They do this to reward early users, build a strong community, and help decentralize the project. It's kind of like a welcome gift for being part of their ecosystem early on. Alright, now let's talk about the hottest airdrops in 2025. First up, we've got some Layer 2 blockchains offering tokens to users who've bridged assets or interacted with their networks. Next, DeFi platforms are rewarding folks who've staked tokens or provided liquidity. And don't forget about the new wave of AI-based projects. They're dropping tokens to early testers and wallet holders. Some of these airdrops are estimated to be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars just for holding or using certain wallets or protocols. To qualify, you usually need to be an early user, hold specific tokens, or stake assets. Oh, and one more thing. Always check official project links only and avoid fake sites. Seriously, stay safe out there. Alright, so let's break down the process step by step. First, you'll need to connect your crypto wallet. Something like MetaMask or Trust Wallet works great for most airdrops. Next, just complete any required tasks, like maybe following a project on social media or joining their Discord. And finally, you can claim your airdrop rewards. It's actually pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. But hey, before you rush in, just a quick heads up. Always watch out for scams and fake links. Seriously, double check everything before connecting your wallet. Remember, airdrops can mean free money, but it's super important to do your research. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which airdrop you're chasing in 2025. Let's get it.